Market update for the 1st of July. We got a move lower in the morning, actually a move higher, then a move lower, and then we were just back and forth throughout the day, and now we're moving higher at the end of the day. Pretty much what I've been expecting for a while now, and considering I think this B wave is pretty much finished, I wouldn't expect it. The least likely scenario is actually that we only made an A wave here, bounce for a B wave, and go down lower for the C wave. I think that if you look at this on a smaller time frame, you can see we got the ABC move already. This is a corrective wave right here. And so it looks like we're good to start the move higher for the C wave. The question is, are we still in the second wave, or is this the beginning of the third wave already? Do we already have 1, 2, and we're starting the third wave, or do we have 1, A, B, C, and then we'll have the third wave? Could go either way right now, but if you look in on the 5-minute chart, you'll see that we have an impulse wave right here. So that's most likely going to be a first wave. No, that is a first wave, I'm sorry. And then we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can verify that with parallel lines. And yeah, that would definitely be a 5-wave move right there. So then we have the B wave, which would be ABC, and then ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and look at that, it's finishing up the B wave right here. And so what I'm expecting from here is a pullback. And they might even do that at the end of the day. To be honest, I haven't looked at the option chain, but I could definitely see them. We have A, B, I could see it pulling back to 374. Let's see where we got. Did we double top here? Yeah, we pretty much double top. So I'd be looking for 374, 373.80 as my target for the C wave and the overall second wave. And then after that, we would be good to go for the overall third wave. But these market makers are probably selling options like crazy the last couple of days and just making a fortune off them. So on Tuesday, I would expect if we don't pull back already today, which there's a very good chance we could, or maybe they kill it at 378 or so, and then they push it down in the start of Tuesday, and then we go up higher. But I'm looking for 412 minimum by July 15th to the end of July. And so this third wave is going to need to be pretty big. I'm thinking somewhere in the range of this 2.61 fib and this 3.61 fib, because 412 is going to be hard to get unless we get all the way to 400 or maybe 394 for the third wave. So we need a big move. Actually, probably bigger than that. Let's think about that. That's only 12 points over where we're at right now. That was the top of the first wave. So we probably need to get to 400 minimum. So I think that third wave needs to go to about 401 or 402 in order to get to 412. If we only go to 394, 395, then I would be looking for $400 or 400 as a top. So yeah, basically this is the B wave. We have 1, A, B is what it's looking like to me, and then C right here. So down to 374, and then we do the third wave, which should be pretty explosive. Third wave of C. And so timing wise, it's looking a lot more like the middle of July. OPEX is going to be the target for the date. And then the dollar here, still looking for that move down here for the C wave. The only thing that's weird about this chart right now is this move right here does not look like an impulse wave. I mean, it does look like an impulse wave, but it's only 3 waves. But I'm keeping it as a first wave for now, see what happens, because these make sense, the A and the B wave. And this first and second wave makes sense too. We have 1, A, B, C, 2. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we'd be looking for a third wave move down in this area, bounce, and then one more move down for the end of the overall fourth wave. And if we zoom out on that, we are looking for that monthly red candle still. We have 1, 2, 3, and that's why I think in July it's got to be red. So as you can see, this move started in 2008. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 up here after we melt up in July. So dollar finally coming down. Expecting SPY to maybe fall off a little bit more first before ultimately rocketing higher. And last thing to look at is the VIX. I'm not going to look at the 10-year yield today because it was falling pretty significantly and heading towards our target of like 1.92. And then the VIX. Last video I said I'm looking for the low 20s, and we are getting that move here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Expecting one more move down here, which could take a couple more weeks as well to bottom right in here, maybe around like 20 to 22. So that's pretty much it. Just look for 412. Anywhere from 400 plus, actually 400 to 415 is my target, but I think that we have one more move down here and then we pop. So on the overall chart for S&P, if you're new to the channel, we have this chart has been valid for months now too. So ABC X, ABC Y. So I'm looking for actually on this one, probably just the green bars up to X, right around in this area, and then the one ABC for Z, and that will be the bottom. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you agree with my assessment or not? What do you see from the charts? Are you trading options? Do you trade shares? Anything you want to have a discussion about, let me know. Any tickers that you want requested or anything like that, let me know as well, and make sure that you like and subscribe, help out the channel, and I will give you guys an update on Tuesday, and who knows, I might make a video over the weekend as well. So I will see you here in a few days.